Hey everyone! I just wanted to share a quick story about how I finally launched my Shopify store, and why working with Andrew on Fiverr was one of the best business decisions I've made this year. So I knew I wanted to start selling online, but I had no idea how to actually build a store that looked professional and worked. I looked into templates, watched a ton of tutorials, but it was honestly overwhelming. That's when I found Andrew on Fiverr. Andrew is a Shopify expert who builds custom e-commerce stores from scratch. And not just basic setups, I mean stores that are branded, mobile-optimized, SEO-ready, and designed to convert. He doesn't just throw a theme together, he actually takes the time to understand your business and your goals. Click the link in the video description and read reviews from his customers. From the start, Andrew was super responsive. He offered me a free consultation, asked smart questions, and honestly made me feel like my business mattered. The turnaround was fast. He handled everything: layout, product pages, payment setup, mobile optimization, even some light SEO. Within a few days, I had a Shopify store I was proud to launch. The feedback I've gotten has been amazing. People actually ask me who designed my store, but more importantly, it works. I've made sales, and I didn't waste weeks figuring it out on my own. If you're thinking about launching your own Shopify store, don't waste time struggling with templates or AI tools. Let Andrew do it right the first time. He's professional, fast, affordable, and honestly just really good at what he does. Click the link in the video description and get a free consultation with Andrew or choose your package now. Seriously, if you want a store that looks great and sells, Andrew's your guy.